Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Therese. I'm doing a Aldi grocery haul. It's a mini haul, but Aldi, there's no Aldi in California. Coming from California, there's Aldi over here in the Midwest. It's a store where you can get affordable things on a budget, mainly like groceries, drinks and all that stuff. We used to go to Aldi. I would get a budget and I'll go to Aldi. I would get food that are not as pricey as other stores, but they also good. They're just good food. Okay, so I haven't been there for a while, but this weekend I actually did. So I'm going to show you some stuff that I got, and it's mainly some fruits, vegetables, and some drinks. So let's see what I got today. Every time we pass by Aldi, the little one wants to go to Aldi. You find out the reason why. I have some juice. She loves some juice and she picked it up herself. Some lemonade, which is actually nice, and some juice, apple juice. This apple juice, it's I like it better than the Walmart brand. Some milk. I prefer the Walmart, but this is so good too. Some chocolate milk for the little one. She loves chocolate milk. Some chicken broth. I'll use it to do my vegetables or to cook my meat. And fruit snacks, of course, she picked it. Almond milk for me and Kyra. And here's some fruits and vegetables. Guys, all this costs less than 90 bucks. That's why we like, or I like to go to Aldi. Some zucchini, and I'll make some sombe later on. Some cabbage. I was just looking at Kyra talking to me. Some spinach, to make either just cook it like that or salad. Some celery. The same celery you can get at Walmart. Bell peppers, and over here at Aldi they were just like $3. Some peppers. I love me some peppers. Be careful, guys, these are kind of spicy. And some tomatoes. I just grab a bunch of them because I usually either just put it in the blender or just leave it like that. Some onions. You can never get enough of onions. I love onions. Garlic. I don't go a shopping spree, or I don't go without garlic when I come back from the store. Some pears. I think I prefer the Walmart brand for the pears. This one are kind of hard or crunchy. Lemons. I just buy lemons. I never miss lemons for my tea, for anything that I make with marinating or anything. Avocados. These avocados were alright. I was just looking for the tag or to show the name. The reason we went to Aldi is for the chocolate. Some of the chocolates, they did not make it at home. We had to eat them in the car, okay? There's only two that made it. The rest of them, gone. That's the main reason we went to Aldi in the first place, for the chocolate. And they usually have like European chocolate, which are delicious. Well, there's more chocolate. Some Goya cookies. You can get this at Walmart too, but some napkins. I usually get napkins at Sam's, but here too I had to grab some because I was out. Some bananas and some lemonade. It was actually tasty. I already drank it. More tomatoes. You can never go wrong with the tomatoes. You can freeze it. I usually do that. so they don't go bad. Some apples, pink lady apple, they actually crunchy. I like them. Blueberries for Kyra, she loves blueberries. And some tomato sauce. I usually get a big box of Sam's, but I just happened to grab some because I didn't go to Sam's this weekend. Some spices, garlic powder, and oregano leaves. And some olives. I love me some olives. Maybe it's a pregnancy thing, but yeah. Some paprika. So here's everything that I got for less than $90, and we mainly went there for chocolate, but we came up with all this stuff. So yeah, guys, check out Aldi or the mama on the budget. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.